Are you ready to take your project management career to the next level? Meet PMP, the Project Management Professional Certification, the gold standard in the project management world. What is PMP? PMP, or Project Management Professional, is a globally recognized certification offered by the Project Management Institute, or PMI. It validates your skills to manage projects efficiently, lead teams, and deliver results that matter. Why PMP? Why should you care about PMP? Here's why. Global recognition. With over 1.2 million PMP certified professionals worldwide, this credential opens doors across industries and countries. Higher earning potential. According to PMI, PMP certified professionals earn 20 to 25% more than their non-certified peers. Proven expertise. PMP proves you're skilled in the 5 project management domains: initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and closing. Career growth. It boosts your credibility and sets you apart in competitive job markets. Who is PMP for? Now you might be wondering, is PMP right for me? Project manager aiming to validate your skills? Team leader wanting to advance your career, or aspiring professional seeking to break into project management? PMP is your ticket to success. But remember, there are eligibility criteria. A 4-year degree with 36 months of project management experience, or a high school diploma with 60 months of experience. And yes, 35 hours of project management training is a must. How to get PMP certified? So, how do you become PMP certified? Prepare. Study the PMP syllabus using resources like the PMBEC Guide, online courses, or boot camps. Apply. Create an account on PMI.aig, fill out the application, and pay the exam fee. Pass the exam, tackle 180 multiple-choice questions, testing your project management expertise. Once you pass, you'll officially be a PMP certified professional. PMP isn't just a certification, it's a game changer for your career. It gives you confidence, credibility, and the skills to lead projects like a pro. Ready to take the leap? Start preparing today, and who knows, your next big career milestone could be just around the corner. Liked this video? Hit the like button, share with fellow project managers, and subscribe for more tips to level up your career. See you in the next one.